Hello everyone, welcome to post market Nifty study video in our channel part time IT investor. Okay, I think आज का दिन काफी boring सा रहा. Okay, I think yeah, basically based upon early morning study which we did, yes, market थोड़ा bearish था, but after that as expected it was in range bound. Okay, so let's quickly check exactly what charts are saying, what OpenAI open interest is saying. जैसे कि आप हेडिंग से पढ़ ही सकते हो. आई थिंक am I expecting Nifty crash for tomorrow? Okay, so let's see if Nifty is ready for crash or not. All right. Okay, so this is our today's market analysis. Okay, you can see in the chart basically we have drawn this level. I think this level is not something which I am changing on daily basis. हम रोज लेवल चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay, हम बस बेसिक मेजर स्ट्रक्चर हमारा अभी भी बुलिश ही है. Okay, but based upon this major structure we have drawn a support zone over here 25,500 बाद में 25,387. ये support zone है. अगर इसके नीचे ब्रेक करता है तो ही ये मार्केट पूरा bearish zone में जाएगा. Okay, so once it breaks this support level, okay, 24,387 over here, I think then only it will go to the bearish zone. I think till up to 25,300. Okay, but nonetheless, okay, if you see today this was a very small range in which Nifty was stuck today. ये छोटे से रेंज में निफ्टी फंसा हुआ था. मस्त अच्छा खासा आई थिंक यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हुआ मार्केट. आई थिंक इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग it went as high as 25,600 over here, and 25,600 as high over here, and उसके बाद I think we got a selling pressure, and it started trading in this small range near this support level only. If you can see, this support line is drawn from past 4 days. ये support line हमने 3 से 4 दिन पहले से बना के रखा है, और यही लेवल पे मार्केट सपोर्ट लेके यही के आसपास ही घूमे जा रहा था basically till end of the day. Okay, so but nonetheless I think जो भी I think जिन्होंने bearish position बनाया होगा based upon this video, I think for the intraday they would have made a profit, because same thing, something which I got based upon the analysis which we did. Okay, now what am I expecting? Okay, tomorrow. Okay, before we move to what I'm expecting for tomorrow, let's first check the OI data. Okay, we can see that today FII has sale 1970 crore, कल भी सेल किया था. Okay, and DII as usual has bought for 771 crore. Okay, लेकिन you can have the interest over here. Okay, यार फ्यूचर्स में उन्होंने 4600 की OI चेंजेस है बेरिश साइड में, देन 583. तो हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, वी कैन सी आई थिंक दे हैव स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग अ bearish position. Okay, in the futures. Okay, and same thing if I call OI changes. Okay, so 34,177 is added, but as against this call position we can see input they have this open interest change of 1.17 lakhs at the bearish side. Okay, so bearish side में उनकी जो position है काफी high है उस केस में. Okay, that we can see over here. So overall I think based upon this I think tomorrow also I think I will be expecting that market might open gap up a bit to fool the traders, and then it will go down, breaking the 25,500 till up to 25,400. At least that is my expectation. It can also further go down below 25,400 to 300, because geopolitical scenario is not that good. अभी फिलहाल they are improving, but in America I think a lot of issues, political issues is happening. Okay, so we will know. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, so this was my position which I am maintaining since last Thursday. Okay, you can see now profit is around 2,873. I think yesterday it was around 2,700, because I have already captured most of my profit in this position. Okay, but I'm still maintaining this position of my strategy that अगर 25,300 पे अगर market गिरता है तो I will execute this order. ठीक है, and then based upon that if I'm expecting market reversal from 25,250 to 300 zone, which will allow me to book profit at PE side. Okay, that is a strategy. अगर कल भी मैंने मार्केट अगर फर्स्ट हाफ तक क्या टिल 12 PM मार्केट इज स्टक इन रेंज बाउंड, देन आई विल चेंज माई स्ट्रेटजी. ओके, मैं स्ट्रेटजी चेंज कर लूँगा और मैं कॉल साइड में भी मैं कुछ पोजिशन सेल कर दूंगा. ओके, ऑन दिस पार्ट टू ईट अवे द प्रीमियम. ओके, So that's what I will do. Okay, and I will wait till 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. to see exactly how market is happening. Of course, like since I will be in office, okay, I will be punching this order in strike that if market is above certain level or between certain range till this time, then please punch in this order. Okay, that's how I'm going to do it. Okay, so guys, if you are new to my channel, okay, अगर आप नए हो my channel में, please do like, subscribe. मैं देख रहा हूँ, I think many people are viewing the content, but I think nobody is subscribing and liking the content. So if you are liking the content, please do subscribe. Okay, this gives me motivation. And I think in the doing the market study, I think everyone is so busy to get the analysis and will forget this travel things. But guys, please do consider the same. Okay, while watching my videos. Okay, let's move on. So this is my strategy for tomorrow, which I have not intentionally posted over here. Okay, that what will the C strategy which I'll be putting over here to further increase my profit. Okay, so on day by day basis, I think as we progress further, if I'm getting the feedback to have a detailed video, so I will might probably set up a separate learning sessions for this option one. Okay, in the I think over the weekend. That's my plan. But considering the time which I'm having in my hand, I think I can share this much only. So let's move to next position basically over here. But okay, before we move on, we can see that probability profit is 98%. So market अगर बढ़ भी जाता है या 25,300 200 तक crash भी होता है, I will be still in profit. In fact, I'm betting that it will crash to around 25,300. So that will increase my profit to around maybe 8,000, 10,000 more. Okay, so that's the strategy. Okay, so interesting thing over here. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे, so we have a very strong support at 25,500. So put OI change हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Okay, that put OI change इसमें 36.63 lakhs add हुए as against call. Okay, तो ये दर्शाता क्या है? What this represents is that market is having a strong support at 25,500 and it is not easy to break this support. Okay, it is not easy to break this support. Okay, so tomorrow if it closes below 25,500, so I'll be expecting a bearish momentum. Short covering भी आ सकती है इसके पहले, so be aware of the spike at the upper side and we can utilize that spike at upper side first for making a sell position. Okay, and is that my perspective? I might be wrong. As I mentioned, I'm not a sebi analyst, just a disclaimer. So please do your study and consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decision and trading decisions. All right, so moving to the tomorrow's market. So like what I'm expecting that this range which has been created today. Okay, so अगर 25,600 अगर break करता है, okay, कल सुबह, if it breaks 25,600 and at 50 minutes candle chart it has created a bullish candle above this level. Okay, so we might see the upward side, but personally I will not be bullish considering all the scenario which I'm having in my hand, but I can utilize this opportunity to punch in the call sell order. Okay, that at a certain point of time, if market crosses 25,600 and is stuck between 25,600 and 650 for a significant amount of time, let's say for an hour or so, so I will utilize this opportunity to punch down the CE order. Of course, my CE order will be well above this range of no trade zone, somewhere around 25,850 or 800 depending upon the premium. Okay, and then that will help me to further increase my profit to a certain extent. Okay, same thing, 25,500 के नीचे अगर मैं अपना 15 मिनट की कैंडल क्लोज होती है, if it is below 25,500, we can look towards the downside, which is 25,400, 25,300. All right, guys. So I think that's it from my side, guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe. Okay, so see, I hope you had a very blissful day tomorrow and profitable tomorrow. Please like, subscribe and share for my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good night.